Hi guys, I just realized that I hadn't told you about the exciting news that I actually released an original song last month. I told Facebook and Instagram and I emailed those of you that get my emails about it, and I didn't post about it here, so I apologize. Those of you that find me on those other platforms, you'll probably know about it. And thanks for all of your lovely messages of encouragement. If you want to find me on any of those spaces, I'll put the links below, but I'm going to try to be better here on YouTube and try to keep you guys more up to date, so apologies. But yes, I released an original song. So those of you that have been asking to hear me sing more than just my demonstrations here on YouTube in terms of teaching you guys stuff about your voice, you can listen to that. I will put the link below. It's on Spotify and it's on Apple Music and it's on iTunes and etc. etc. So it's all over the place. You'll be able to hear it if you would like to. Now, the really cool thing about releasing this song, and there's another one to come in a few days, is that people started to get excited and inspired to make their own music. And that is amazing. I want you guys to feel like it is possible for you. So there were a lot of people asking, how did you do that? Like, how did you actually, put out a song? And I thought that they meant, how did you do it in terms of having an idea and then kind of fleshing that out and expanding it and reworking it? I worked with a songwriting coach, reworking it with him. And then how do you kind of work with the producer and figure out all the little bits and pieces with that? So I did a Facebook Live that was all about the process of it. Again, I can put the link below if you want to have a watch of that. And so I thought, yep, there we go. That's how I did it. And I still had people asking questions. And I realized that a lot of people wanted to know, how did I do it in terms of staying motivated, in terms of avoiding procrastination, getting over the fear of doing something that was quite outside my comfort zone, all of that paralysis around perfectionism, etc., etc. So it was much more about how I was doing it in terms of my brain than anything else. And so I'm going to be running a free live online workshop that seems like it's a perfect time of year to do this. It's going to be about how you can make more art or make more music or make more more progress on your voice and all the creative things that you would love to do in 2019. So what can you do now in preparation and start to implement in terms of routines and rituals and how to trick your mind into behaving itself to make sure that you're actually doing what you really, really want to do and making progress on those things. So if you would like to join me for that class, I would love to see you there. I'm going to put, again, there's going to be so many links at the bottom of this email, but I'm going to put the sign up link down below so that you can join me. And it's going to be available after the live class has run. So if you're watching this and it's later, so this class is going to run on Thursday, the 6th of December, my time. So it will be Wednesday, the 5th for some of you, depending on what part of the world you are in. If that time is passed, don't worry, the replay will still be available. So if you want to watch it, you can still sign up. But I hope that you find that really, really valuable. I would love to see some of you guys there live so that we can have a chat about this. And let me know what you think of the song if you have a chance to listen to that too. Awesome. See you soon.